tell us about the history of the company?
Okay. The history of the Old Moon, it is originated from South Korea. So it started last 2022. Then last 2022, they got around 70 plus branches across South Korea. Then last year, Old Moon brought the brand here in the Philippines. So last year we opened Festival Mall, Ayala Malls Manila Bay, SM Fairview, and SM Mall of Asia.
Okay, sir. Thank you. So, the next question is, what kind of products or services you can offer?
For the services, we offer photography studio. So our products is photo printouts, which is released by our machine. Then from the photo prints, we have the QR code which you can scan and download the soft copy of the photos.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Next question po, how much capital is needed to invest in this
Initially, the initial investment is 860,000. It is composed of the machine. The machine will go from South Korea because Old Moon Korea will provide the machine for us. Then, aside from that, it will the inclusion on the franchise package is the shipping, the custom tax, the service fee for the machine setup.
So, not included po yung mga props?
Yes, it is add-on already.
Okay po. So, the fourth question is, what kind of return on investment
For potential ROI, we expect to ROI within the first 2 years. So that's our franchise term also, 2 years. Then initially, our existing branches are already ROI. We don't exceed 1 year as of now, but some of the branches are already secured their investment.
So, maximum 1 year po.
Yes.
What are the requirements for someone to meet criteria?
For the franchise opportunity, the potential franchisee must have their initial funds, especially because we need to secure the machine, the materials, the construction, anything goes with the permitting, documentation. So aside from that, if they have location in mind already, they must have the location which is nearby with the schools, colleges, or even local communities.
So, yung package po na 860, sa ano lang po yun, sa company? Kumbaga, yung physical store,
Yung
not
physical
included.
store, not included, but we can provide ideal locations because we have coordination with malls already.
Like SM po.
Yes. SM, Robinsons, Ayala Mall, Philippines.
Okay, that's all po. Thank you so much.